Thank you for choosing this video. I am going to be showing you how to do this marble design on gel extensions.
What is your name, place, hey? Where's the name?
I've already cut my cuticles and buffed my nail bed, so we're just going to get started with the application. I'm just measuring and making sure that the extensions are my size, and if you are in between sizes, just go up and file the sides and the cuticle area to make them fit. And then I'm taking my nail drill to etch the inside of the extensions for better adhesion, and then going in with my dehydrator. I'm removing any oil that I have on my nails, and then I'm going to take my primer and apply that to the extensions and also my nails. After that dries down, I'm using this nail glue from Beetles, which is just a gel, and I'm going to try to avoid getting any of that on my skin. It's okay if you do, just make sure to remove it with acetone before curing. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Taking that same gel, I'm going to apply that to the extensions, and you don't want to use too much or too little, but you do want to cover the entire nail bed before curing for 15 seconds. And I'm going to use my flash cure because it's easier. It's not the easiest. I need one of those longer ones. And try not to apply too much pressure to the nail, but also try not to apply too much pressure to yourself, because it definitely took me a few times to do this part with ease. Like sometimes I would put too much gel and it would just be a mess. Like you really have to just be patient and practice, because practice makes almost perfect. Here I'm just clipping them down a little bit, and I decided to do an almond shape, which is one of my favorite shapes to do. And I spend the most time shaping and just making sure that the shape is nice and the nails are close to the same in shape and length. I'm removing the shine from the extensions, and then I'm going to make sure I don't skip this next step. Taking this nail bit and going around the cuticle not only removes the gel that might have seeped out, but it also seals the extension and it makes it thinner as well. And sealing the extension gives it a cleaner look, and you don't get lift in, so your nails last longer. It literally has so many benefits, so try not to skip that step. And then I'm going to go in with my base gel, and I'm going to put that on my nails. Again, if you get any on your skin, remove it before you cure. Like, please, I'm begging you. Like, I'm literally begging, remove it before you cure. And then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, now for the nail design, I'm going to go in with this Pretty Sure Pink. I use this for everything. And I'm just making sure that I do a nice thin coat. And because I want this color to be transparent, I'm only going to do one coat of this, and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So going into the marble effect, what I did on my pinky was a complete mistake, and this is why I say, like, don't cure if you're not ready to cure. Like, once you cure, it's pretty much over with, okay? So I literally, I messed up, but I fixed it and it was cute. But anyways, so I'm just making like random lines on the nail with this white, and then I'm going to take some alcohol and just kind of disperse that color or diffuse it with the alcohol. And I don't make it perfect. I'm literally trying to be as random and sporadic as I can be. And on some nails, I go back in and I add more white and do the same thing. Some I make the lines thinner, some are more blurred, and I literally just eyeball it and do what I can to make it look cute. Like whatever's floating my boat, that's what I'm doing before I seal it and cure it. I also forgot to mention that you need to be curing after every layer. So now that the nails are looking cute, I'm going to go back in with that pink and just put it on top because I didn't want the white to be super white. So that's why I did that. And then on top of that, I applied a clear coat for that extra shine, which I'm sure you can skip this step if you want to. I'm just a little bit extra. And then I go ahead and clean off those cuticles once again, cure it, and I'm done. Look at those nails, honey. These are super cute. Like, it's exactly what I pictured. Like, I just love them. Like, super cute, honey. If you want to see more nail tutorials, then go ahead and like this video and subscribe.